everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Steam games on mobile without PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure you have installed the particular Steam mobile app. Then tap on the option of open and go ahead, enter your Steam account name and your password of the account that you have created yourself. Tap on sign in, and once you have signed in, your app is ready to be used and is perfectly set up there in your mobile phone. Now you can search up for the particular game that you would like to play on your mobile phone and you can start playing. That's it. It doesn't require any kind of special information at all or the settings. You simply have to make sure that it is downloaded and the updated version of the Steam mobile application, and then you have to simply enter your credentials. If you cannot enter your credentials, you can tap on I need help signing in for the further help in signing in purpose, and that is basically it. So it should help you out. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.